Good evening, guys. This is Chris. Welcome to Chris Digitals. Just wanted to show you guys this blue binder that I created. It's just a cover. Lots of you will use this for your planner as your cover, or you can further develop it and make it as an inside front page and so it is free to download. You can go on my website and you can download this for free. And also when you download this, it's going to come with a zip file, and with inside a zip file you're going to get an editable file with PowerPoint, so you can change the colors and put your name and your logo wherever you want to put them. And also it comes with the PDF if you want to use it as is. Okay, so it's up to you. This is how it's gonna come. It's gonna come like this. All right, plain like this. So you're gonna put your logo wherever you want to put it. I put mine right here. You can put your name here, or you can put whatever you want to put here. Your title, you can put it here, and you can change the color as well. All right, so right here you can see I put my digital planner. You can put whatever you want to put here using the PowerPoint editor, okay, or PowerPoint program. And here you can see I put my logo here. You can also include your logo. All right, so for you to do that, the file will come in this. So right here you're going to only have this two, okay, so you're going to double click on this. When you double click on this, this is where your file is going to be, okay. The 7 zip file, this is where it's going to be in, okay. So when you extract it by right clicking, you're going to go to zip or whatever program you use. I'm using 7-zip. You're going to go there, you're going to say extract here. When you click on that, that's going to extract. Or you can go to this. Sometimes I use this to extract my zip file. It still works. So I'll go here and I click extract here, and it's going to extract to this. So when it extracts, you're going to see blue and blue. So one will be PDF and one will be PowerPoint. You will not see the drawing, you will not see this, and you will not see this. The drawing here is what I used to is a program called Inkscape that I used to put the writings and my logo in. This is how it looks like. This is Inkscape. This is the Inkscape. It's a free tool. It's like Illustrator, but it's free, and it's 100% free. It has everything, that almost everything, if not more. It's similar to everything that Adobe Illustrator has, okay, but it's 100% free because it's what they call open source software, so you can use it. So that's what I used to write this, and that's what I used to insert my logo. You can use any program that you want to, they will work just fine, okay. All right, so when you open the zip file, when you open this zip file and you click on this PowerPoint presentation one, not this PDF, but this one. If you click on this one, it's going to take you to your PowerPoint. Make sure you have your PowerPoint, okay. If you don't have a PowerPoint, you probably will not be able to do this. You might maybe be able to open this with Slide, like Google Slide, or maybe other free open source software like OpenOffice, or there's another one. I just forgot the name now, but also maybe you can use OneNote. You can use not OneNote. Maybe you can use Apple Keynote. Maybe, I don't know. I've never used Apple Keynote for that, but I've always used PowerPoint. So you can use PowerPoint to open this, and when you open this, now you can decide to change the color. But before you want to do that, this will come grouped. All right, this will be grouped. To ungroup it, so you can start changing individual colors, you can just go to shape format, click on that, and go to group, and now you're going to say ungroup. So now this whole thing has been ungrouped. So you click out of that. So now if you want to change just this, you can just see it's not like the entire thing anymore, right? You can just change just this one right here. You can just say let's give it this color for fun. All right, that kind of look good, right? So you can go here also. You can change this as well. Maybe give it the same color. You can just do whatever you want to do. Change this to this color, and come here and change this to that color. And maybe right here, just change everything. So if you change everything, that's how it's gonna look like. But if you want to change it, back to the color it was originally, you can just go to where it says undo and just click on that, and everything should come back to normal. Whatever color you want to do, if you want to do like a different combination, let's see, maybe you want to use this as a dark color. I want to use this maybe as a dark color too. See, you can do something like that, or you can flip it and do something like, okay, let's leave that color and just try this. So we can do something like this and something like this. All right, so whatever you want to do is you just play around it and choose the color you like, and when you're done you can just go and save them. You can go to file and go to export, and then you're going to say create PDF. Click on that. Now you're going to choose where you want to save it. All right, and then you save it. Okay, that's how you save it. All right, so you can go to my website. The link will be in the description to my website. You can go there and download this binder for free. Okay, it's for free. You can download that. It's for personal use only. Please do not sell this binder. Do not sell it. You can only sell this if you are member of my licensed commercial licensed commercial team members. Like if you subscribed on my website to either the monthly or the yearly plan, you can download this for free as well, and you can use them personally, and you can also sell it on your website. You can sell it on your Etsy shop, you can sell it on eBay, you can sell it wherever you want to sell it. It is free for you to use and free for you to sell. This is only for the people who are subscribed to my licensed as a licensed member in on my website. So please, if you haven't, you can download it for free and use it, but you are not allowed to sell it. All right, thank you guys so much. The link to my Facebook page, Facebook group, will be down in the description too. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, share it, and give it a thumbs up, and hit the bell notification also, so you will be notified every time I leave a new video or upload a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget, the link to this download is in my description. All right, thank you guys, and have a blessed day. Bye bye.